We are going to do the HCF, which stands for highest common factor. If you haven't looked at my video about factors, please look at that, because in there I explained in detail how I derived to all of these factors. So this just means factor of 15, factor of 45, factor of 24, factor of 36. So I just wrote this down on one page. So, but now we're going to do what is the highest common factor. Just a quick, before we continue, just want to show another quick, almost like tip. If you have the factors, what you can do to check if your answer is right, you can start, let's do the factor of 15. If you look at the factors, you start from left and right. So meaning 1 and 15, 1 times 15 gives us 15. And then 3 times 5 gives us 15. Then you know, let's do this another color. 3 times 5 gives us 15. Then you know that looks correct. The 45 as well. You can say 1 times 45 is 45. Then 3 times 15 is 45. And 5 times 9 is 45. And let's do the big one, 36. You can say 1 times 36 is 36. 2 times 18. 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and because 6 times 6 equals 36, that stands alone with itself. So that's just another quick way that you can check that you've covered everything. We just remove all of this. So now the next step that we are going to do, we're going to look at the highest common factor. So if they ask, what is the highest common factor of 15 and 45, the first thing you need to do is get to derive at this. And like I say, just watch my previous video, please. So when you get to this answer, now you can continue to answer what is the highest common factor. So let's do the 45 and 15. So if you do this, it's actually very easy. The only thing you need to do is what is the highest number that appear in both the factors. So in the factor of 15, you have this lot over here. So there's a 15 and there's a 15. 45 is not in this one. So the highest one here is 15. So the highest common factor of 15 and 45, that answer is 15. Or put another way, just write it out properly. So highest common factor of 15 and 45 equals 15. So there's that one. Let's maybe do 24 and 36 now. So 24 and 36. What is the highest common factor? So you look at each one and you look at what's the highest number that appear in both. So there's a 24, there's no 24 there, there's a 36, and if you look properly, you'll get to the answer of 12. So 12 is the highest number that appear in both. That means the highest common factor of 24 and 36, that answer is 12. So this is the easy part, but if you don't know how to get to these factors, then you will not be able to answer the highest common factor or the HCF. So I hope this helps. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.